Hello kids, today we will learn about emergency vehicles. This is an ambulance. It takes sick people to the hospital very fast. This is a fire truck. It helps to stop fire and saves people. This is a police car. Police officers use it to keep us safe. This is a rescue helicopter. It helps to save people from high places or floods. This is a rescue boat. It saves people from water in emergencies. This is a tow truck. It helps to move broken cars. This is a road rescue vehicle. It helps when there is an accident on the road. This is a police helicopter. It helps the police catch criminals from the sky. This is a fire rescue van. It carries firefighters and rescue tools.